Hello and welcome to a Kismet Crafts tutorial video. My name's Lucy and today I'm going to take you through how to create this tea bag folded rosette. First of all, I used our Party Balloons rainbow sheet, tea bag sheet, and I cut out the squares. I'm just going to leave that in the corner there so you can see it throughout. And I've cut out the squares. First thing I'm going to do to create this square fold here, take the tea bag and you want to place it so the image is facing down, and then I'm going to fold it edge to edge first. Just like that. You open it back up, I'm turning it round and I'm going to fold it edge to edge the other way. So I'm creating a cross, there we go, I'm creating a cross on my tea bag. Open it up again. This time the image is going to face me and I'm going to then fold it corner to corner. Like so. Open it up, I'm turning it round and I'm folding it corner to corner the other way. Like so. There we go. So press it down nice and firmly, make some really nice creases. Open it up again. And all I'm going to do is just gently pinch and press, like so. And then I fold it down, and as you can see, I've got this square fold on my tea bag. So I'm showing you that again. So here we go, face down, edge to edge, fold it. I'm just going to put, it's easier to do it like that. Press. Open up, again face down, edge to edge the other way, like so. Open, this time image is facing me, corner to corner, again fold, open it up, corner to corner, fold, like so. Open it all the way up. And again, just get hold, gently pinch and press, and then fold it down, like so, and you get this square fold. Now the great thing about this one in particular is I've got all sorts of different combinations I could do with this, depending on the colours that I want to use. I could choose any one of those faces to make my pattern. Now for this one, I've chosen to use the purples and reds and greens. So all I would do is then to place them together is I'm going to find my reds and greens there, I'm going to find my purple and red there. So I'm just going to press that down, this is the side that I want to see. And the same for this, I'm just going to press that down firmly, like so. And then all I'm going to do is slot them together. So I'm taking this top one here, this is the bit that I'm going to see, this will be hidden underneath, and you just push them together so that the edges meet, and I've started creating it. All you do then is add a little bit of sticky tape, you know me, I love my double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to add a little bit to each side that I'm going to stick, press down firmly, and pull the tape off. There we go. And like I said, so I'm slotting this between the two there, and I'm going to press in, just making sure I've got it lined up, press in, and they're now stuck down. And then all you do is continue to do that all the way around. So I have some that I've already, let's move those out of the way, that out of the way. I have some that I've already prepared here, just making sure I've got the right one I have. So like I said, you can use this as a great topper. They make lovely toppers for all sorts of cards or invitations. They're also great in scrapbooking. You can use them as corners. You don't have to use it as a topper. You can put it in corners to decorate cards. Again, around photographs in your scrapbooking. And I love these tea bags. I love designing them because whatever images you create with them, they just look so amazing. You could use them as tiles. Again, you don't have to create the rosettes with them. But I wanted to show you today how to create these rosettes and show you how easy it was to do it. So, just going to place it here. These are all available on our website. And then I've got one more to place in there. And of course I've stuck that together, so I'm going to have to fold another one. So remember, with this, placing it face down, folding it edge to edge. This is going to create the square fold, edge to edge. And then corner to corner. Like so. And then the last one that I want to go in here is going to be the red and green, so I'm going to find that. There's my red and green. And then that's going to slot in there, and that will slot underneath. So I have one above, one below. And there's the finished rosette, as you can see. Now, if you want to, you can always put that on a border that you get on the sheets here, which again makes a nice topper, or you can just leave them as they are. I think they look fantastic. So that's the square fold that you can do on tea bag folding to create that kind of rosette. I hope you enjoyed that and found it really straightforward. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. If you have any questions at all about anything you've just seen in the tutorial, then please pop it into the comments box below, or if there's anything you'd like to see, again, pop it in the comments box below and I'll do my best to make a video for you. Thank you ever so much, take care, and stay crafty.